Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Leica with the Fujifilm. So Leica got a worse sensor comparing to Fujifilm. Then also the ISO range is 225,600 comparing to 125, 12,800. The lens, it depends on the needs. So the image stabilization, you can have sensor shift, so that's Fujifilm. Screen is also better for Fujifilm. Viewfinder better for Fujifilm. Then continuous shooting speed is same on both. Video resolution is better for Fujifilm. You have 4K comparing to 6K. High speed video you can have with Fujifilm. They're both wireless, and weight is better for Leica, and you can have better sealed body for Fujifilm. So now when we're gonna go further, we can clearly see these things. So the Leica, my camera just went off. The Leica got better viewfinder, better max ICO, better LCD resolution, better weight, better focal length, optical zoom, max aperture. On the other hand, the Fujifilm got better LCD screen, better built-in flash, sensor resolution, number of focus points, max LX shutter, battery life, a microphone port, environmental sealing, max aperture, viewfinder, max video resolution, built-in ND filter, focus bracketing, USB version, animal IF tracking, webcam function, eye tracking focus. So these are the differences between like these things, and just wanted to share it, summarize it quickly for you. Have a great day and goodbye.